Every day I make a pilgrimage to see this striking morning glory called flying saucers covering a fence in my neighborhood. It's so hard to find true blue plants for the garden. This annual vine with stripes of blue across a pure white background is a stunner. Morning glories come in several colors and patterns, but flying saucers, bred in 1960 in California, is one of the most impressive. Making my rounds revealed other fine vines, including the rambling sweet peas and an autumn blooming clematis, this one in white, and at a church a lovely yellow clematis called tangutica clinging to the old stone. The very vigorous trumpet vine can take over the garden, but here it adds its charm as it speeds up a utility pole, but perhaps not the best location for it. Vines do have a useful place in the garden, but keep in mind some perennial vines are labeled as invasive species. In the meantime, I'll enjoy the annual flying saucers until cold weather cuts it to the ground. I'm Kathy Renwald for TheSpec.com.